Myself, Kakadi Sunil Rao Sahib from Gokli Education Society English Medium School, Pimpalgaon, Baswan. Today we are going to start the new topic Fun with Magnet. Standard 6, Subject Science, Lesson number 15. First, what is meant by the magnet and their properties? Fun with magnet. Pin in the pin holder do not fall even when it is held upside down. Why it is so? Because in the pin holders that means join the magnet and then magnet attract to the pin, then pin do not fall in the downside. While we are shutting the door of the fridge, we find that is closed automatically from certain distance and does not open unless pulled against. Why is this so? A magnet is used in the gauge. A magnet is fit in the cap of the pin holder and the door of fridge. Iron objects stick in the magnet. That means the cap holder of the pin magnet are attached. Then all the pin are attached to the magnet. Then fridge door attach of the magnet. Then the stick the magnet of iron. The magnet to which object made from iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. get attract, it's called as the magnet. This property of magnet material, it is called as the magnetism. Magnetism means the formation of the magnet or prepare of the magnet. Different type of the material, iron, nickel, cobalt are attract called as the magnet. This property it is called as the magnetisms. Let's try. Take a magnet from the laboratory and bring in near various objects in your use. Which of them stick to the magnet? What material in each of them made of? Observe the things carefully. Classify the object into two groups, those which stick to the magnet and those which do not stick to the magnet. Take a mixture of sand pieces on paper, sawdust, iron filling and pin in the source and pass a magnet around the mixture. What do you see to identify the magnetic material we use? The material that stick to the magnet are called as magnetic material, while those that do not stick to a magnet are called as a non-magnetic material. The metal, iron, cobalt, nickel are magnetic material. Means in your laboratory and in your office or house, then all the mixtures, that means paper pieces, iron nail, sand and iron fillings are mixed to each other and and near to the magnet. Then some material are attract to the magnet, it is known as a magnetic material, but some do not stick to the magnet, it is known as a non-magnetic material. Then iron, cobalt, nickel are magnetic material, but sand, paper, plastic are non-magnetic material. That means identify of the magnetic and non-magnetic material. It is very easy experiment. It was known quite long ago to the people of China and Europe that a pieces of magnetite hung freely always settled in the north and south direction. This then came to the use for finding the direction while traveling through the unknown region. That is why they are also called as the lodestone, leading stone. This led to the invention of the marine compass. That means the European and China people, the use of the magnetites or magnet to the searching of direction north and south, because the magnetites are stable or settle north and south direction. Then the peoples are traveling to unknown region, the searching of direction, the use of the stone. Which stone? Magnetite stone. That means then the leading stone or this lead to be invention to the marine compass. Magnet can be have variety of shape depending upon their use. That means the magnet are different type of shape. Then use of this instrument or machine. Today, magnets are used in many machine or gauge or device. There are all man-made magnet. That means each and every device use of the magnet. But which type of the magnet are they used? They totally depends upon the size and shape of the device. But this prepare of this magnet, it is known as a man-made up magnet or artificially magnet show in the picture. Bar magnet, disc magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring shaped magnet, cylindrical magnet, also small button magnet are the different shape of magnet in the everyday use. Means above all type of the magnet. That means bar magnet, disc magnet, ring magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet. They total depends upon their instrument or device. They all the magnet are man made up or artificially magnet. Magnetism, when a magnet attract an object, that means each and every object are attract to the magnet. But which magnet? Magnetic material, so that object is displaced due to the magnetic force. That means magnetic force are applied on the object are the display. That means the attract to the magnet. In place like factory, port, depot garbage depot, large objects are shifting from place to place. This purpose, the cranes with magnet are used. That means large objects are displaced or shift from one point to the another point or one place to another place. Then in the use of the crane, in this crane use the magnet. These work are the done. The magnetic force means magnetic force are used, then the large weighted object are shipped from one point to another point. This work done. This is show in the magnetic is kind of energy. This energy it is called as the magnetic energy. Which magnetic energy are used? Then magnet are the used and work are the done. But this energy are used to the done of the work. It is known as a magnetic work or kind of magnetic energy. Characteristic of the magnet, determine the direction in the glass or laboratory. Tie a thread to the center of a bar magnet and hang in the from a stand. Note the direction in which the magnet settle and turn in around again. Let it settle and note the direction. Do you this means time? What do you observe? A magnet always settle in the north and south direction. Very simple. One use of the stand and one bar magnet are tied to the thread and thread joined to the stand. And observe this magnet. The magnet are settled north and south direction. That means the conclusion of this experiment, two pole of the magnet, one is the south and another is the north. That means the settle of this bar magnet, they tie to the thread, they north and south direction. That means a magnet always settle in the north and south direction. A magnet always settle in north and south direction. The end of magnet that point to the north is called as north pole, while the end of that point to the south it is called as the south pole. While the end that point to south is called as south pole. This north pole is indicated by N and south pole indicated by the S. That means two pole of the magnet. One is a north, another is a south. South pole indicated S and north pole indicated N. Place some iron film on the sheet or paper and pass a bar magnet over them. Pick up the magnet by holding in the center. What do you see? The magnet force is concentrated at the two end or pole of the magnet. That means all the iron fillings are attract to the magnet in two pole. One is the south, another is the north. The magnetic force is concentrated at the two ends of a pole up to the magnet. Take a bar magnet that can be cut with scissors or knife. Then take iron filling on the sheet of paper and place the magnet on it. Most of this iron filling will be seen to stick to this pole. Now cut the magnet into two pieces as shown in the pictures and place those pieces of iron filling. Pick up each of the pieces and observe them. What do you see? That means one use of the bar magnet, and cut the use of the scissor or knife. Then each and every part there are the formation of the two pole, one is the south and another is the north. Imagination one magnet, there are the two pole of this magnet, one is the south and another is the north. But cut off this piece and the two part are form of this bar magnet. Then two part south north are the formation. What do you find? Means a magnet is divided into two part, two independent magnet are formed. That means one magnet are converted into the two part, that means two independent magnet are the form. It means that the two poles of the magnet cannot be separate from each other. Each and every magnet formation of two pole, one is a south and another is a north. Fix a powerful bar magnet to the stand and show in the figure. Fix an iron bar at a short distance below the magnet. Take a iron filling near to the iron bar. What do you see? After some time, take the magnet away. What you happen now? Your iron filling stick to the iron bar when the magnet is near it and fall off as soon as the magnet is taken away. That is, magnetism is the bar vanish. A magnetic material acquires magnetism when placed near a magnet. This magnetism is called as induced magnetism. That means one use of the stand and magnet are tied on the stand and near to the iron bar, and this iron bar are formation of the magnetic field because the near to the magnet, and all the small pieces of the magnet or iron fillings are attached to the iron bar because in the iron bar near to the magnet hence magnetic energy are transferred in this iron bar. Then all the iron filling are stick to the iron bar, but the magnet are away from this iron bar. Then all the sticking iron fillings are removed to the iron bar, hence the magnetic field are created near to the magnet on the iron bar. Fix a bar magnet to the stand as shown in the figure. Let become steady. Take another bar magnet near to the hanging bar magnet. Observe what happened. Do same against and against exchanging the end of the magnet. What do you see? Means the two magnetic pieces are near to each other. Then the north pole are near to each other. Then repulsion and south north pole are near to each other. Then attraction between each other. There is repulsion between like pole, that means south pole are repulsion, or north pole are repulsion of a magnet, while there is attraction between opposite pole, that means south north attraction and north south attraction. Take a needle or near place in the steady on the table. Keep the rubbering of the magnet over it from one end to the other. Do to this 7 to 8 times. Now take a few pins near the needle nail. What you see? In this way magnetic object acquire magnetism. Magnetism of this kind of temporary in the last for the short while. That means the are near to the any metals, then magnetic field are created, but away from the magnet, then magnetic fields are the destroy or vanish, dismiss. That means the temporary magnetic field means temporary magnet are near to the metal, then make to the electromagnet apparatus iron nail of 10 meter centimeter length of one wire and copper wire means and battery cell pin other magnet object. Then the battery are joined to the wire and wires are wound to the iron nail. Then the electric field are created the near to the iron nail, and at that time the electron or charge are passed through this iron nail. Magnetic fields are the create and near to the another iron filling in this iron nail. Then all the iron filling are attract to this iron nail. It is known as a temporary magnetic field because electricity are moved from this iron nail. Hence, magnetic field are the create. But electricity are stop or remove of the cell of this iron nail, then the magnetic field are the dismiss. It is known as a temporary magnetic field or electromagnet. During the above activity, we saw the pin stick to the nail. Now stop the electric current and see what happens. The pin sticking to the nail fall off. Why does that happen? Magnetism is produced in the nail due to the electric current. When it put off, the magnetism vanish. Such a magnet, it is called as a magnet, electromagnet. This magnetism is a temporary, means electricity are moved from the iron nail, then magnetic fields are the create in the iron nail. But electricity stop to the move of this iron nail, then the magnetism or magnetic energy are destroy or vanish in this iron nail. That it is known as a electromagnet or temporary magnetic field. Temporary magnetic field means electricity move from the iron nail, then magnetic field create. Electricity are stop, magnetic field stop. But use of the magnet in sonography, lifting of the crane, then electric bell, mobile, crash card, and other electrical instrument, motor, speaker, TV, telephone, etc. Most of the instrument use of the magnet. There is a strip of magnetic material in ATM card, credit card, where necessary information about the use in the store. Magnetic material are also used to the store data in the hard disk of computer and audio or video tape. That means ATM card, credit card, then hard disk in computer, audio, video, store data. Each and every instrument and device use of the magnet. How is magnetism destroyed? Magnetism get destroyed when the magnet is heated through knock about the broken into pieces. Therefore, it is important to store magnet carefully. A piece of soft iron is placed in the box in the which is magnet is kept. There bar of soft of a pure iron protect of magnet. Therefore, such a bar is called as a magnet keeper. Magnet keeper means the magnetism are destroyed because broken of the magnet or apply the heat of magnet. Then their store is very carefully kept in the protect place.